traditions. Paul VI to a group of Buddhist leaders, June 15, 1977. To the distinguished group of Buddhist leaders from Japan, we bid a warm welcome. The Second Vatican Council declared that the Catholic Church looks with sincere respect on your way of life. On this occasion, we are happy to recall the words of St. John. The world, with all it craves for, is coming to an end, but anyone who does the will of God remains forever. He first says that the Catholic Church looks with respect upon the Buddhist way of life. This is apostasy. Then he says that on this occasion we must recall the words of St. John. Anyone who does the will of God remains forever. This clearly means that Buddhists will live forever, that is, be saved. This is total apostasy. Paul VI addressed a Buddhist patriarch of Laos, June 8, 1973. Buddhism. The Catholic Church considers its spiritual riches with esteem and respects and wishes to collaborate with you as religious men to bring about real peace and the salvation of man. Paul VI says that the Catholic Church considers with esteem the spiritual riches of the false religion of Buddhism. He then says that he wishes to collaborate with the Buddhist patriarch to bring about the salvation of man. This is apostasy. Paul VI on Islam. Islam is a false religion which denies the divinity of Christ and rejects the most holy Trinity. Besides rejecting the true God, Islam allows polygamy up to 4 wives, and its followers, Muslims, spread this false religion with a zeal unequaled by the others. Islam is the most viciously anti-Christian major false religion in the world, for to convert to Christianity in many Islamic countries means death, and the propagation of the true faith is strictly prohibited.